Welcome to the Executive MBA program from IBS Hyderabad. The Executive MBA at IBS, Hyderabad, prepares the students for the real workplace challenges. The pedagogy therefore emphasizes more on applications-based learning. How do we visualize practice orientation? Varied tools, business research projects, case studies, application-oriented methodology. Case study advantage: IBS case studies are contemporary and enjoy global acceptance. Experiential learning: students run projects at their own workplace and see how their solutions work. Peer learning: most of the Executive MBA cohorts are potential professionals. Opportunity to gain divergent views. Please contact us for details. We are happy to help. Thank you.